to my channel. I'm just driving here in the suburbs, driving from Shakopee going to St. Paul. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, smash that button, subscribe, support us, and you can leave a comment and give a like. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate your support. Continue watching our videos, and you can give us a like. I hope you're doing well. I'm driving here. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota. A lot of snow. So join me here. I don't need to keep talking. Let's drive together. I appreciate that.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, you, baby, so I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
for joining me here. I drove from Shakopee to St. Paul, just crossed Mississippi River Bridge. Once again, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, support us,